Are you ready to revolutionize your life with some game-changing hacks? Look no further. Here are 5 mind-blowing hacks you need to try. First up, did you know you can use a hair straightener to iron collars and cuffs in a pinch? Say goodbye to wrinkled clothes with this quick and easy trick. Next, have you ever struggled with opening a jar that just won't budge? Simply use a rubber band for extra grip and twist it open with ease. No more jar opening struggles. Moving on to our third hack, did you know you can use a muffin tin to create individual taco bowls? Just flip the tin over, mold the tortillas, and bake for a fun and tasty twist on taco night. For our fourth hack, tired of losing your earbuds in a tangled mess? Wrap them around a binder clip for easy and convenient storage. Keep your earbuds tangle-free and at hand whenever you need them. And last but not least, did you know you can use a lemon and salt to clean your cutting board naturally? Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a fresh and clean kitchen. Thanks for watching these top 5 mind-blowing hacks. Try them out and let us know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.